In this video, I will be showing you how to use Gamma AI to create a professional webinar slide deck. Let's get started. I start on the Gamma dashboard and click Create New AI. From the available options, I select Generate to build this deck from a simple prompt. I'll make sure presentation is selected as my format, and I'll keep the length set at 10 cards. In the description box, I type Webinar about AI in marketing, and then click Generate Outline. The AI quickly builds a structured flow for the presentation, covering everything from the AI revolution to a strategic playbook for 2026. I'll scroll down to review the topics, then set the text content to concise to keep the slides clean and punchy. I'll browse through the available themes like Oasis and Vanilla, but I think editorial looks best for this topic, so I'll select it and click Generate. Now, the AI starts building the entire deck in real time. It's creating everything from the title slide to deep dives into the rise of the context marketer and generative AI productivity. It automatically organizes the layout and adds relevant visuals for each section, including the new CMO blueprint and the evolving talent landscape. Once the generation is finished, I can scroll through the completed deck to review all the content. If I need to make any changes, I can easily edit the text directly or click Add New Card in the sidebar to expand the deck. The toolbar on the right also gives me plenty of options to insert images, smart layouts, and charts to further customize and refine the presentation. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI to create a webinar slide deck.